Hi everyone, welcome to another Scratch program. Today we are going to make a game in Scratch. We'll delete the sprite. We'll choose a background first, blue sky. We'll take sprite and take the bowl. We'll put it here and we'll make the size as 150. We'll start with making this code of the bowl. We'll go to events and take when space key pressed. We'll make this as left arrow and we'll go to motions and take change x by -10. Then we'll go to events back again and take when space key pressed again. Key pressed. We'll take this key press as right arrow. We'll go to motions again and take change x by 10. We'll go to events and take when clicked flag and we'll go to variables and we'll make a score in a variable. We'll click here, make a variable and write score. Score. Then we'll do set score to 0. Now I'll play it. Now it's going right and left. Now we'll go to sprites and take an apple. An apple. Now we'll go to events. When clicked, we'll go to controls. We'll take the forever block. And inside controls only, we'll take if then block. We'll go to sensing and the first one, touching bowl, we'll put it here. And we'll go to motions, go to random position. Go to random position. Then take set y to 180. So we'll go to variables again. Take change score by 1. We're done with the first code. Then we're gonna go to the second one. Go to motions events again. When flag clicked, and go to motions and go to random position. Then take set y to 180 again. 180. Then we'll go to controls and take the forever block. We'll go to motions again and take change y by -5. Then we'll go to controls and take if then block. We'll go to operators and take less than 50. We'll leave this one and write minus 170. Then we'll go to motions and the last one, y position. Then we'll go to motions again and go to random position again, and then take set y to 180, and the last one we'll go to variables and take change score by -1. Okay, now we're done. We'll check it. Now when we grab it, it will score, but when we don't grab it, it will decrease. Here is 6, now it's 5. And we'll do one more. We'll do one more thing. We'll go to events and take one click and go to variables again and take set score to 0. Set score to 0. We'll put it here. Now I'll do this and play it again. Now it's increasing the score. Now and now we are done.